Hey guys, welcome back. So I guess we're gonna start this video off with a little bit of a story time, because I didn't anticipate getting this mod for the car right now, but here I am with the start of this mod for the car. So I'm gonna explain everything to you right now. So maybe a week ago now, I saw this listing for a hub for an aftermarket steering wheel for the FRS, and I was super interested in it. It was a works hub, and the guy had it listed for like I think 120 bucks or something like that, and then he dropped it down to like 100 bucks, and then he said what I want it for 80, and I didn't respond because I was just looking and I was like, I don't know if this is like right for me right now. I don't know if I want an aftermarket steering wheel. I do know that I'm gonna need one at some point because like getting in and out of this ideally would be easiest with a quick release, as we all know. And then lo and behold, maybe 2 days after I denied his $80 offer, he relisted the hub for 60 bucks for a works bell hub. Like, I was hyped because I don't really think that you can damage these just from putting it in the car. So I jumped on it. I got the hub. And you know what that means, boys. We getting a wheel. Stay tuned. So as you saw, we got the hub for the FRS. Now I'm gonna drive roughly 30 minutes away to go and pick up a steering wheel from my friend. It has a quick release already on it, so that's super convenient. Yeah, I'm super excited for it because it's gonna match, I think, pretty well if everything comes together for this car the way I want it to. So this should perfectly fit in. So let's stop talking and start driving. So I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, there's a Krispy Kreme on my way to get the wheel from my friend, and I'm definitely taking advantage of that. I mean, who wouldn't? The closest one to me is like roughly 30-40 minutes away with no traffic. So yeah, why do I have to? I don't even have to continue to go on. Like, no traffic, picking up car parts and donuts. Yes. Secured the bag, boys. Oh yeah. Look. So we got the wheel last night, and the color is going to look so good with the cage. I am so hyped here. Let me show you guys so you can see the color a little better, maybe if it wants to focus. There we go. So it is a Vertex wheel, so that's super hype. Alrighty guys, so that wraps up this video. I hope you guys like the wheel as much as I like the wheel, and I'm so hyped that the colors are gonna go perfectly with the roll cage. So yeah, that is all. I will see you guys next time.